Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are unboxing the SKIMS Swarovski Jelly Sheer Long Sleeve Crew Neck Bodysuit. If you're interested in this collaboration as a whole, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel as we do unbox and try on a few of the other items. This item is in the extra small size, and if you're familiar with the sizing for SKIMS, do let us know in the comments below. I found this a little bit too small to even try on. So I will walk you through the unboxing so you can get a sense for the fabric, the material, these Swarovskis, the placement of those gems, and just the overall essence of what you might experience if you do pick this up. So getting into the packaging itself, I love the Swarovski SKIMS tissue paper, that it just has the beautiful logo right in there. It feels very cohesive. Getting a first look at our bodysuit, these Swarovskis are so stunning. I have to say I was really blown away. I was not expecting them to be as stunning as they are. I love the packaging, that it comes very properly segmented, so those Swarovskis are not rubbing against each other. It looks like they are very secure and they're not going to fall off. And of course that it is more concentrated towards the top and kind of dissipates until you get to the bottom. And then around the waistline, there are none at all because of course this is a bodysuit, so that would just kind of be uncomfortable. So I do think they thought through a lot of the design with this. Again, as I mentioned, I wasn't able to try this on, so I don't know how comfortable it is. If you have tried this on, or if you have it and love it or hate it, please let us know in the comments below so everyone can benefit from your experience. I do think that it feels like a very lightweight compression material, so it seems to be comfortable. And of course, they have chosen to put these Swarovskis, or not put the Swarovskis, in places that might be uncomfortable, such as the arms, the underside of the arms, armpits. So it seems like a promising item. Let us know what you think. Do you have it? Do you love it? Would you buy it? And of course, be sure to subscribe.